Video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Spotify music to your Instagram story with sound. So first of all, launch your Spotify application, get logged into your account. Let's go ahead, play any of these songs. For example, if this is the song which you would like to add to your Instagram story, what you have to do is tap on this share button. And as you do that, here select Instagram stories. And as you do that, wait for this to be loaded. It will directly open up your Instagram. Let's go ahead and try again. As I do that, you can see that now it has been added to my story. And it also has some sounds. I could show it to you, but it will overpower my voiceover. So all you have to do is select your story. Once this has been added, you may go ahead, view it, and you will be able to see the story as well as the sound will appear. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.